Tick the activities you like doing. What is this? Reading,
writing, fishing, horse riding,
okay.
sewing,
Making
models, roller skating, skateboarding,
okay.
painting, jogging, cycling, drawing, singing, playing board game.
Okay. Now, what are these activities? We will see from this book. Let's see. What is this?
This is making models.
Okay. Next one. Skiing. Good.
Skiing.
This is
singing,
okay.
collecting badges,
Collecting
postcard, fishing,
okay.
camping,
And
clicking,
taking
photographs, karate, skateboarding,
and this page,
dancing, sewing, drawing, jogging,
yes,
playing board game,
yes,
playing the
keyboard,
roller skating, using the computer.
Okay, now which of these activities you like the most?
I like the most dance, fishing and camping.
Okay, these are the free time activities. What are these?
Free time activities.
Some of them are indoor activities, some of them are dangerous activities, some of them are outdoor activities, some of them are art and crafts activities, and some of them are quiet activities. These are free time activities. What are these?
Free time
activities.